Hello everyone, DCB here, and welcome to another Warhammer 40,000 modder build. In this one, I am building the Royal Warden, as you can see here, from the Indominus Crusade box set. As you can see, I am going to be building him like this in front of you. I will paint him off screen in the colours I have decided for my my Necrons. I'm not going to go into the lore of this one. I'm going to find you some nice copyright-free music as we go through a bit of time-lapse. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. And there we have the Royal Warden. He is now built and ready to be painted. As I say, I'll be painting him in my own Pacific Necron colours. Yeah, there is the lovely little Royal Warden with his heavy gassed flare. There's the cloak. Now to get him painted. And there he is, all painted and ready to go. This Royal Warden, ready to assist the Necron Lords and the Silent King in their endeavours. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. A bit different without going into the lore of this. Because obviously I wanted to try something a little different. As always, please do put your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed the video, what you liked, what you disliked, what you think I can improve. All the things like that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you've enjoyed what you see. Share it with others if you think they'll find it interesting. And as always, this is DCB. Knowledge is power if we use it wisely.